Cameras roll. What's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Donna B Live. Okay, so today's video we are going to talk about some things that I want to find out from my husband. If things like this I do in the beginning would make him love me anymore, or you know, the extreme things sometimes that a woman do to make a man love them. So I want to ask him some of these questions and hear his view on those questions. Okay? You have to be able to elaborate yes or no. Not just yes or no, but elaborate.
Me?
Yeah. Elaborate on them and let me know if you think what you think about them. Guys, don't forget to like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend about our YouTube channel. Bless up on a nice clean self, enough love. Alright, so put on me testicles.
Spectacles. Spectacles.
My testicles. So the first question is, no, you know something, literally. Alright, woman giving you money, would that make you love a woman? Fall in love with a woman? Like, in the beginning you meet somebody in the first half in your relationship, and you know she just shower you with stuff, give you money. How you feel about a woman just giving you money like that? Like in every opportunity she get, she just spend money on you and giving you money.
I did like her before she started that. I still gonna like her. Still taking money and like her, see me. If I did like her before me, she started do all of that. I still like her and want her, see me.
No, meaning that in the beginning, before
like
when we just really
just
build,
know her.
yeah, no, like when in the early part in our relationship, because this is where some problem comes when it come on to woman and man relationship, because a lot of that been crying out all over the world, all over, especially in Jamaica, in our community, because we used to that. So women are crying out a lot, say man take them things, and you know, man, woman always a mind man and blah blah blah. How do you feel about a woman minding a man, like literally?
Me.
You
Put myself in that position.
yeah, put yourself in that position. Would you want just meeting a woman and she just shower you with things? And
Me not out there search a woman with things. I have some man who literally search a woman with things.
right,
Me not search that. Because me always I work and I do what I do for myself. You know? So I grew up. But if and whenever I meet somebody and then eventually down the line it starts shower, I enjoy it, see me. I'm still gonna like well, at least I know the money. It's not the money why I'm involved with her. But the money coming further down the line, I accept it with everything else. So. And that now gonna make me love her no more or do anything else, do anything more or nothing like that. I love money, you know. You love money?
me love have money.
I mean, I follow that.
No, me love to have money. Me not follow you, but it's the fact, cause let me tell you, with me, like let me just break this a little bit. Me love to have money, you know, but at the same times, me not gonna do certain things for money. Me not gonna make money.
Yeah, if you love money, I'm gonna do anything for it.
Me not gonna make money lead me to certain things, and you know that me's a go-getter. Me's a real go-getter for me. Me believe in a woman. Me not like easy come, easy does it.
People don't love money. Even though I can't tell people what to do. Love have money. Don't love money. Love to have money. I love have money.
Yeah.
So I can't do what I want to do.
Right. But if me have money and me lose it tomorrow, me not go dead because me lose it.
You have a life.
Exactly.
Once you're alive, anything possible.
And you can't achieve it again. And this is how I always look at life. So that's why I say earlier in a relationship, say you're there at Jamaica or wherever, you meet a woman, you know, say, you're the woman wait name there, all of a sudden the woman just shower you with things or shower you. Because women do that because they want the man fee, you know, I don't know, maybe to love upon them.
Question it back at you.
Yeah.
Same question you just asked me.
Yeah.
Rephrase it. May I rephrase it and ask you.
But me a woman.
Right back at you.
But me a woman.
Yeah, but may I rephrase it.
A woman I go want a man to shower them with things. Nothing wrong with that.
Money asks about
me say things too. Me say things, money and things. In the beginning.
So you are going to go for your man for that?
No. Hell no. No. Then me would have in a relationship with man already where I have money, but it's not about the money for me. It was never about money. It's about how I feel. I put my feeling before everything else. And if I'm not comfortable with certain things, I'm not going to do it. Just like how I say, years ago, this man when we meet, saying we want married to me and carry me go to Canada, and me choose not to.
And that's your money.
But it's to give me a better life, and me choose never to go because me never care for the man. The man did like me. Me never like him. Me choose not to do it. You get what I mean? So vice versa. Me is not the kind of woman who licky and gravitate to legacy. I am not legacy. Whatever. Gravitate to stuff. On this earth. I'm never
vanity.
That vanity.
You know, vanity crazy.
No, me not them kind of person.
So hard-working people stay, you know?
Me work hard for what me want.
Once you're willing for work.
I'm willing for work and achieve my
anybody at all, yeah. Man or woman, once we have that intention that we're willing for work for what we want.
Right.
We're not going to accept
certain things. If me meet a man now and me don't know anything about him and him eventually now him in the position and him a shower with me stuff, of course, me not gonna love him any less. You know, but if right off the bat, sometimes we meet somebody we're willing to spoil him. We didn't meet somebody already where West want to spoil me, give me anything me ask her.
I don't want to talk about you and too much.
But I'm saying, if you want to answer the question, me I ask you, you see?
Yeah, but you go too far now.
You're there.
You go too far.
I can't keep up with you like.
Meet somebody and the first question before this, you talk about you and somebody in a second.
You're there.
Enough is enough. How much?
I can't bother. Alright, so I'm done with that topic there because
yeah, I get hot. I get my clothes, I get heated. I feel like I burn up inside.
Another thing is, when a man or a woman, I mean ask a question or you. Both of we are gonna answer. When a man do something to a woman, do you think a woman should easily forgive him?
It depends on what she do, him do, or him do.
And it goes to say, like, say him go cheat, or you know, or something where like disrespect. Take cheat out of because that is
common assault. Like.
Yeah, that is total. Yeah, that's
something more discreet.
Like disrespect the person. How do you feel like if you know a woman should easily forgive a man who disrespect? Do you think that a woman should forgive you?
If a woman disrespect me, it depends on what she disrespect me. It depends on the disrespect. Right. Alright. When it comes down to mother, if a woman tell me to something mother, the first time when she tell me that, it's going to make a big difference in a relationship for the rest of my life. If me and her still together.
Right.
Or if a woman tell me to come suck out she.
Right.
You know, woman tell man bad things.
Right.
Worse, she maybe have a chance if we're by ourselves.
Right.
But it's still going to affect my mental, you know.
Yeah.
But if she do it in a crowd,
even worse.
It's worse, instant. It's hard for the relationship continue this for me.
You know what?
As when they come on to my mother, and a woman tell me and them something that come suck out I go suck out your mother.
Right. Okay, so I'm going to remind you of something. I'm gonna remind you of something. You remember November 11, 2006, right before me give you the nookie, right? I said to you, say, me ask you if you don't do these things. And these are some of the things them where don't disrespect me, disrespect my children, them, and my family. You remember that? Honestly, me and you have the same view. You see, you just explained it a while ago. That is exactly how I feel. You see, me no like disrespect none at all. Period. And that's why me not do something to somebody when me don't like. And you see, you explain this is exactly how I feel. Because you disrespecting me, and for me, if I give you just right off the bat or easy if I give you, it's hard.
Yes, if it's something pretending.
Exactly.
You a loved one. When I love one,
it just
mother.
The children, them, my parents, and my body, and my body section. Don't argue with me and tell me nothing about my body because you're upset and no say. I know so you go, you lie about certain things and you're going to tell me anything because you're upset. Like, people have to have self-control. And me just feel like that help to build a relationship. And that is how I feel.
Like in some relationship where the man tell the woman who underneath her big like Bob Marley funeral.
Exactly.
Tonight I'm a beg it.
Exactly.
Cry feet.
Like, why would you tell a woman something like that? Because you're upset and you and her in a heated conversation.
Himself, he might let down. Because if it is that bad, sometimes it's big, sometimes it's stink. Sometimes man find all kind of things to describe underneath a woman.
Yeah.
When him and the woman in hot water.
And in a
and a woman when I eat and sleep and just eat from and I sleep beside the night time.
So wrong.
And then after I tell her then something there. Him want tonight, in the night, to see a night there, him want to go down in the night.
Yeah.
So him doesn't make himself look like a big idiot.
So if you feel so bad in that such a heated conversation, why when you calm down you want to go back in a Bob Marley funeral? It don't make no sense.
If certain things come out of my mouth to a woman,
that's it.
When me there with the relationship I go down from there. So now me don't want her again.
Yeah.
From it reach a stage where me go if me look on a woman and say, me not even go tell a woman about her underneath because me did I enjoy it over the years.
Yeah.
So me not even go there. So if me look on you and tell her say,
don't even say
your mouth stink like, and your mouth really not stink. I'm tell you that. And hurt you.
Yeah, just to hurt you.
Me don't want you again. Me don't want, if me go tell you say your mouth stink, then I'm going to want to kiss you after.
Right.
You can allow me to kiss you after.
Exactly, it's so wrong. It is so wrong.
You can't say certain things to my woman and still go lay down with her and want, and still she still be my woman.
Right.
A good woman.
Me so against these things that it's just insane. Against it so bad.
And some woman cuss man and say, all kind of things, but me do, go you're dead.
Yeah.
And she live with the man how much years, them have all picnic together and them were there. I mean, yes, a man, anything can happen in life. and a man end up dead. Yes, anything can happen in life. But you as a woman, if you take that and cuss the man and tell him, worse if I lie.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to walk
back
out there again.
These things because you're upset.
And where you brawl it out all in a crowd and then we make people laugh after the man and bring down shame.
Yeah. No, me not take that. You see,
worse if nothing of gossip. If the man was not dead, probably what you used to do to her, it now do it again.
Right.
But that not say dead.
Right.
And probably she have something where do to another man out there where do her
make she comfortable.
Sexually. So she know she feel like so she can style her whenever she take how much years now.
It's crazy.
And still want to lay them back with the man and still expect say the man for
just
I know some people do it, but you can't do them things there. Respect. No matter what me have, still have respect for you. Once you respect me.
Alright, so the next one is would you feel comfortable? I am making myself uncomfortable just to make you comfortable.
It depends.
It depends?
Yeah.
Would you want me to be uncomfortable just to
give me one example then.
Like, we pretend to be somebody, like, you know, some people like they will pretend in a relationship to be somebody that they're not, like.
But maybe them comfortable when they might pretend. Just give me an example where you are uncomfortable with just to make me comfortable.
Alright, so like, for instance, say, you know, you
say you two of it. We sit on another chair and my chair uncomfortable to me.
Yeah.
And you switch the chair. You take my uncomfortable chair and give me your comfortable chair.
Even so, but
yeah,
it wouldn't be like it wouldn't be like just that. Like, alright, so for instance, say every day, like in a relationship and you have a partner and they want you to cook every day. Like for instance, they want you to they want you to cook every day, and you're not the kind of person who love to cook. But them the mind you cook, they want you to cook every day just to satisfy them. Who do you feel? How you feeling in yourself every day? Just cooking is just an example. Like it could be other stuff. You know,
if you know say a woman don't like cook every day, I don't force her to cook. Because she not gonna cook the food good. If she not in the mood to do it, it got taste in the food.
Right.
You know what
there's certain things that you do, like if you feel like it gonna make you uncomfortable or me ask you to do it or them something.
That's why I'm not force you to cook.
And that's why sometimes when me ask, like if me ask you to do certain things, I'm feel like say you don't really want to do it. Sometimes say it's okay, no worry. You know, cause what are the worst things for make somebody feel uncomfortable for when you don't really want to do something, but there's like, and then we are vexed with you because you don't want to do certain things, you know.
I'm a man, I'm a plane, you know. If you ask me to do something I don't want it, I'm gonna make you know. I'm not pretend.
Yeah.
That don't mean to say I'm a bad person.
No, you're not. You just said right off the
bat,
but at the same time in a
but
service.
If me can't say I don't want to do it, and you know say I don't want to do it, I may still do it.
Yeah, that is true.
But at least you know say I never want to do it.
Because it helped me in the long run if you do it. But if a certain things where me know say you can't able to do it, then me not see sometimes you put yourself in a little uncomfortable situation just to do it for me, just to make me happy. Me would do it too. But it depends per one. So but you have some woman we get up on them, we uncomfortable in a relationship are just trying to please them partner at all times when them not really comfortable.
It's like how me take off my jacket and get in the cold, and me stay in the cold without my jacket and get sick after.
That is just you being a gentleman.
And me uncomfortable after me get the jacket, make you comfortable, and me uncomfortable so till reach the stage where we catch up. Me catch cold, get sick. Then that's the thing they like, right? You know, like
a woman.
Yeah. So you could have said, no man, it's alright, me just stay uncomfortable. You go and make sure you comfortable. You could have said that.
Yeah, you can go and stay with you.
Woman, no, I said that. We don't answer that.
We don't want see me in my shop. I'm gonna look up here.
You can't see.
Okay. Alright, the next. Alright.
You know why you choose to come back all the way down here and walk.
Alright.
Fast.
I know, right? How do you feel? How do you feel about a man? Alright, would you been asking woman for money?
Me?
Yes.
Yeah.
You ask woman for money?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
No, I mean not about your lover, like you know, like you get to know that person. Would you just always ask them for money?
Unless we want to run the woman. Unless we want a red flag that for a woman.
It is a red flag.
But the woman will ask the man do, and the woman don't want it to be a red flag to the man.
You know say to be honest to you, when me know you, me just didn't want to know. Me ask you for things because me want to see if you're a mean person, and if me go in a relationship with you, how you that was one of the reasons why
you just start talk?
Not when like we just start talk. When we are
just
talk,
know each other.
No, we never really involved yet.
Yeah, man. So if I want to just know each other,
yeah.
Like
maybe not in the first month or so, but when we know you, we were friends. You know, I had that friend before.
If me look him in half a gear. He's only an idiot, man.
So hear me now. Me want to see in my gut. Me want to know if you mean. So I submit me did that test you when me ask you for the phone. Tell you some want a phone and you go want you to buy me a phone and I ask you how much the phone I'm telling you how much it was. I think it was like 13,000 them time. It was a Samsung Ericsson. Me didn't want, me not remember.
I don't remember what kind of phone.
But it was
them
like
time there's a Sony.
What a Sony or Samsung Ericsson, one of them.
I remember.
And
I never Samsung. Samsung never used to
and
run things.
Nokia.
And Nokia.
And Nokia.
Either Nokia or Sony.
But then you did get one phone and carry come give me.
But me did give the money. Me give money towards the phone too.
Yeah, you did give me money towards the phone too.
Me buy one Sony phone, and me never use it one day.
And me, you do me. Yeah. So and me did like the Sony phone, but me did ended up still buy the Nokia.
I mean, they do it all phone and you have brand new Sony.
So
me
literally asked for the money that day.
Man, we have to sacrifice. Man, when we look at woman, I don't want to sacrifice. You don't want to do, man.
I know. So me said me just want to see if you would have mean to me or you would have treated me. That was the reason why me ask you now, because me never have to ask you. Because normally me not like go ask, man. But me want to see like, and if you're my partner, or you would have treat me.
And true, you have a crush for me too. You want to make sure you say me no mean.
Yeah.
Because that would have get you so, it would have disappoint you.
Yeah.
Shit, what a waste.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It would have disappointed me for truth. You're damn right about that. You're so right. It would have disappointed me.
What you know, you don't want to mean woman either, you know.
Yeah.
You don't want to mean woman either.
You have to balance each other. You know, you have to balance each other. I'm not a mean person. But at the same time, me don't want to spoil a man. Me don't want to...
So what about to spoil you? I said, Donkey said the word on level and not true.
No, but at the same time, you know, a man is really supposed to be the head of the household and he's supposed to be responsible. And that is how me look on life. Man's supposed to be the head of the whole house, the household, and he's supposed to be responsible. And me don't want to spoil you and make you, like say for instance, you may have money to an extent. Yes, me still want you to be a man and provide. We still want you to play your part and provide. And that will make it. Yeah. And it's okay. Sometimes things go up and down, you know. That is okay. But if you don't want to do it and just want to lay the burden for me, then that is going to cause us.
No, not a man that.
No.
A man is a man too.
Yes. That a man. Because things do happen in life and people go, you know, upside down.
Your man will pretend in the beginning.
Yes, and you do have man who will pretend to be that kind of person.
Yeah, woman that test him and ask him for things and in gear, even though me like meaner than styrofoam.
Yeah, and
him just still in not true one in man look the woman in gear where she want.
Right,
she make it trick her. Make she feel like saying free handed and then after couple didn't get the knock a couple times, you know, him start showing true colours.
Right, definitely.
And then the woman had beat up herself and I said, boy, I could have take back the whole of them knock it away and get this. It's true, you know.
Yeah, guys, so we'll come to the end of this video because we don't want our topics to get too long, but even though it's, you know, I'm enjoying the topics, remember to like our video, please, and thank you.
Just like alone.
Like, comment, and if you don't already subscribe, please do so. Adios, guys.